Kembali sebuah ni pibro, dah kan ke video gue banta. Ngan itu epi sepang kipus kibalat kibade jong ka sports kuata hapoka Assam Rifle. Te kino kiba don ni ki certificate kibade jong sports kiba katkum bala mention hakane te kila aban apply mo. Te sapet henu bakut lane pule baha yaki ni ki tha angne hapoka notice mo lane pila ban le hapoka website jong ka Assam Rifle so download yakane ka notice sapuli. Tengan batay hang nema. Yang ni laong ba last date of receipt of application from eligible candidate for Assam Rifle Meritorious Sport Persons Quota Recruitment Rally 2022 is 30 April 2022. Ka last date kan dai ho live 3 April ajar par te la sha application will be accepted through online. Pihak apply online kibom nang pihak lain na po cyber saphale la kila active lut nanong sedang. Online application server will start functioning from 26 March 2022 kan mau kan sedang kan day arpun March ajar puar kan kut kedai live April ajar puar kan mau baik tarik atali last date and starting date. The recruitment rally will be held at Headquarter Inspector General Assam Rifle South Mantri Pukri Manipur. Kemudian pihak banlai siapa Manipur ladapi apply kan ikap sports quota jongka Assam Rifle banlai rally banlai marak mut pihak banlai siapa Manipur. The recruitment rally is tentatively scheduled with effect from 4 July 2022. Kemudian now South July seneng baik katarik ban banlai marak onward depend upon COVID pandemic. Kan depend lada dan pandemic kelak ban change kelak ban nek ka tarik. The exact date of reporting a rally site will be mentioned in calling letter. Haka letter ba penyo kinsa mention ya katarik ban late rally ke. Okay, kan batai kat notali ki post kidon to online application are invited from eligible candidate. Okay, ngan shi batai bedarang te lak jong gi yuma kadon ki post kidon kumba shispa sautali post baro total te sapet bahag jong sport baik. Haka football don shipo tali male shipo tali female shipo shendang shipo kuntai long arpo boxing khadwe shendang shipo kuntai long arpo rowing pra tali shenrang shipo tali kantai khatpra archery khandai tali kumala thong tu khandai tali shenrang nru tali nru ni kantai khatsan cross country shipo tali kishenrang shipo shenrang amdon ni kantai te ka timing kalong bai shipo kilometer below 30 minute hapo ka shipo kilometer kli bandap hapo ka lai 4 minute shipo kilometer hapo ka lai 4 minute no te ka nero shipo tali pos tang shenrang athletic sospa lai hajar san hajar long jump javelin shipo tangi shenrang amdon kantai shipo tlik pos polo saw shenrang andre kantai te total baro kan long baik shispa saw tlik pos mo sapuli ba download dia kan dengan notice basa page ba. Okay, kan tlik pos kidon sakan mau shispa saw tlik pos mo kibade jong athletic kan mau dan sportly sospa lai hajar san hajar long jump makta archery cross country boxing kan mau kita football. Okay, to how to apply kumdo ban apply la kan mau ba apply baik deka online mode lam le chapo cyber ban apply but namta ki SCST it is free of course omdon kam ban siu mo namta ki SCST non omdon kam ban siu kare free omdon kam ban siu da kan ba te iki pus ki bala mention tu sis pasau kila ban duna ber kila ban bun ka depend mo kila ban kalak nomon kila depend te iki pus lada omdon ki pus bedon lang ber kan tebe shenrang lada omdap ki shintei mula pandap na shenrang lada omdap ki shenrang la pandap na dikin tei mun kalau mai umta. Okay, to pihak pendap pihak menlek cepo ke website assamrifle.gov.in tem bisa pendap have ki number ki bro jung pi email ID mobile number kenang mungkin kontak pi through mobile through message through email application free for SCST free namta ki general but OBC ke desi sparang ka. Okay, eligibility condition kan mau ba kan emang namta ki SCST kedai khatpra hadu life post nem marba 10 years ka relaxation takmut ba hadu life nem khatpra hadu life nem matriculation from recognized pass class 10 sha pass class 10 kan mau te pihak ban submit ya ka matriculation certificate la matriculation ane higher secondary ro kadwa yu. The sports qualification bada players who have participated in any international competition first preference national competition inter-university tournament national sports game for school national award in winner national physical efficiency drive tela pidon ki certificate jong kine ki bala mention hangne phila ban apply ma amde jong ki gui bam pat mention hangne ki bala mention hangne phila ban apply ma international competition national competition inter university pidala compete kine phila ban yo ban apply national awards for physical efficiency drive authority awarding certificate kini kiba awarding certificate la pidon kini certificate la mention hangne ba phila ban apply kan HMIC na batai kharpra do live for license nam ta ki SC/ST candidate only matriculation certificate or higher secondary school certificate will be accepted as proof of establishing age of the candidate tang gida atlima matriculation certificate la nek higher secondary school certificate accepted as proof for establishing age of the nam ta kasnem jong phi kan de bitang kini ki certificate no kan mau ko perbalai pha ban ra ki original nado ki Aadhaar card nado ki epic nado ki baro original claim kita phimla nami urung poka physical efficiency test man check ep ban thoi ka haj ban thoi ke phimla ban urung claim kita kan mau ban ra the candidate seeking relaxation or SC/ST phia ban submit ya ki certificate jong ka ST category bakari ST category phia submit kita kan mau ba kita order of preference kidan kat kum ka sports qualification te phia ban PI ban pulei kitu baro selection process candidate verification phia verify shong tu bai the candidate in possession of valid call letter phia ban ra call letter ID proof jong phi voter driving license any uta will only be permitted enter the recommended kamo ban ra ikta original initial documentation all document will have to good documentation phia ban check lopai ki kot isla jong phi phia don certificate pertaining age education caste sports and domicile PRC phia dra ikta baro certificate phia pan ni ka domicile na PRC ibadega sports certificate phia ban don man pen I hang tu ba phi qualify ada bang ta pada kin sa thoi phi ka physical standard test kan mama namta ki north east for all children tribe candidate of north eastern state kadai kanno male kadai shispa 1.9 cm female kadai shispa 1.9 cm kajing jerong ma kan mau kita shispa 1.9 cm ke senrang shispa 1.9 nam tai kan tai the chest for male only tang senrang kadai 9 cm la minimum expansion 5 cm kan mau baik itu ngan ong metang nam ta ki ST ma conduct of field trial conduct by board of official research okay nun kam ban itu nun kam the detail medical examination di medical candidate who qualified in field trial kibal qualify bada kin salai saya kane will undergo detail medical examination di mitang kibal qualify shwaya ka field trial dara 4 qualify amlaban le kini okay to sapulehi kini kibron kamboro against finding detail final selection merit list rejection of application tang kituhi tesalej chapo ka website jongka assamrifle.gov.in ka website nalej chapo Assam Rifle tem sai download ikan notice sapule ba show hin pandap nala pibiang kikot kisla ba pindon bisa lapan apply kan sedang nadu ka arpandur tarik entah wanai online mode no hetang gini kubile jubun